Anjokitu no wanitu, sora sora ra. So, due to my own self-inflicted sore and stiff back, which I'm still experiencing, this is the 17th of April, 2025. And I'm still experiencing the effects of my self-inflicted stiffness and pain in my back, caused by my sovereign decision to consume the type of fuel that does not make my body thrive, as I explained in a previous video which I uploaded on, let's see, oh, ow, 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 ow. It was on the 15th of April, so that was 2 days ago. Oh love, will you stay, will you stay, will you stay? Oh love, will you go, will you go, will you go? And that's why you can see me dancing with a stiffness, and you don't maybe see the pain. When I watched this video, I almost forgot that my back was in pain until the moment where I was visibly in pain. And I'm still in that pain today. You see how I'm walking, engaging all my toes as I walk. But this, what I'm doing today to show you, is a type of movement which helps me to engage my stomach muscles, l'estomac. I'm on my rocking chair, and one might think that sitting on a rocking chair isn't any form of exercise, but I know my body's telling me, oh, trying to straighten my legs now, engaging my stomach muscles, and I can feel my back is getting a workout, even though FlirtFM. This is beneficial to my health. I can feel it in my stomach muscles and in my back muscles. So this video is for you if you are experiencing any type of immobility issues. Like I also said in a previous video, or I wrote it in the description, I was walking with a cane or with the help of a friend quite recently, and the medicine I took to bring my body back to thriving was a meat-based diet, animal products-based diet. So here I am, moving a little bit every day with the help of this rocking chair. And any type of movement, moving your little finger. If there isn't anything else in your body, you can move your little finger along with me. Or blink your eyes and visualize yourself, just like Joe Dispenza did when he had that motorbike accident and broke so many bones in his body that his doctors told him he would never walk again. And Dr. Joe Dispenza said, "No, I'm not going to take this medicine that you're prescribing to me, this pharmaceutical for the rest of my life." And he visualized every day himself. He visualized every bone in his spine. And the rest is history. Go and have a look at some of his videos. Joe Dispenza. And start to visualize yourself every day doing a tiny bit more movement. And I'm thumbs upping for you. I know you can do it. Your imagination is stronger than you know. And we can all choose to watch horror movies or watch feel-good movies. So in your mind, instead of concentrating on the way that you can't move your body right now, instead of watching that horror movie on repeat every day, decide to watch a different movie and visualize yourself walking up the stairs or running up the stairs. I'm here with you. There I am. I'm there somewhere. Oh yeah, there's me, float away. This is also in loving memory of my dear friend Fanula's beautiful mother who passed away. Solashiri, beautiful, dear friend of mother of Fanula, float away. Girl, Mohagged Fanula, Asantilani Alinshaw, thank you for this beautiful t-shirt. And may your dear mother float away and rest in peace. Slán agus banach the story, agus bye-bye everybody for now. And have a listen to my full radio shows. The link is in the description and the comments below. And have a little dance with me. Slangafal. Slangafal.